Hi, how are you doing? We are coming from BBN News Channel to make an interview about your bananas. We heard they are very delicious.
Oh hi, thanks for coming. Of course our bananas are delicious. They are completely natural and non-organic, and we use a very traditional way to take them from trees.
And what is the traditional way?
From thousands of years our people use monkeys to take the bananas from the tall trees for them. We love bananas, so the monkeys. I prefer a monkey over all of the stupid robots.
Wow, how exciting. How do you make monkeys to take bananas from the trees for you?
Before, people used to give them honey waxes for their wages, but nowadays, because of inflammation and high prices, we give them gums for their work.
And they like gums?
Oh yeah, one night, they attacked my house to steal my gums, but I already eat them before.
And how do they know what amount of bananas they must take?
Obviously the more is better. But the more they take bananas, we give them the gums they like the most, which is banana gums.
Well, just this, and they will take the bananas for you?
Well, not just this. There are some other things which are secrets of our work and make us the best banana producer in the region. Several years ago, we decided to have professional banana taking and monkey carrying classes for our workers.
So how is it? Did it have positive effects on your production?
Well, yes, it did have positive effects, but there were also some drawbacks. Some of our workers, after became professional in banana taking and monkey carrying, left us and joined other banana producers.
Oh my God, how could they?
Yes, it was sad for us. But I talked to them later. I want to know if Master President is hearing my voice.
Actually, I don't. No.
Whatever, Master President, our bananas are one of the important column of our society. Without it, people won't be happy anymore. Children would not laugh, monkeys would cry, wars would start between countries. So please help the banana producers and poor monkeys.
It was beautiful, thank you. How do you think government can help you?
They can have free professional banana taking and monkey carrying classes for our workers, which can highly have positive effects on banana production and reducing our costs of production.
Is there anything else government can do for you?
They can subsidize or give us money for our banana taking and monkey carrying classes. They can also promise us a certain income by buying our bananas directly with minimum prices. Therefore, we would not be worried about our profit anymore, and we will continue offering free classes.
Okay, I hope Master President heard your voice. Thank you so much for giving your time.
Thank you, and our village is a very beautiful place. We and monkeys always welcome you with open arms. You can even dance with monkeys here.
Yes, thank you. BBN reporter, me, here.